Video for Bina Dharma
Trophy 2022.
This presentation will include all of the presentation of Universitas Bina Dharma and South Sumatra English Community ourselves, the judges and also the participant institution. So, without further ado, please enjoy the presentation.
Universitas Bina Dharma adalah salah satu universitas swasta terbaik di Sumatera Selatan yang sudah terakreditasi B secara institusi.
Universitas Bina Dharma ini menjadi universitas yang berstandar internasional dan berbasis teknologi informasi pada tahun 2025. Secara terbuka, Universitas Bina Dharma akan memiliki akreditasi internasional untuk 4 program studinya. Profil lulusan Universitas Bina Dharma, kami ingin menghasilkan lulusan yang mampu menjawab pertanyaan kami.
Pada saat ini, Universitas Bina Dharma memiliki program diploma kerja, diploma 4 dan strata 1, yaitu Fakultas Ilmu Komputer, Fakultas Ekonomi dan Bisnis, Fakultas Teknik, Fakultas Psikologi, Fakultas Ilmu Komunikasi, Fakultas Perguruan Ilmu Pendidikan dan Bahasa, dan Fakultas Vokasi. Universitas Bina Dharma juga memiliki program pasca sarjana seperti program studi Magister Teknik Informatika, Magister Manajemen, Magister Ilmu Komunikasi, dan Magister Teknik Sipil. Dalam hal peningkatan eksistensi, pada tahun 2018 Universitas Bina Dharma mendapatkan penghargaan tertinggi dalam bidang pendidikan, Prelexus Center of Excellent Work. Di tahun yang sama, Universitas Bina Dharma berkesempatan menjadi salah satu universitas pendukung dalam bidang penyiaran pada acara Asian Games yang ke-18 yang diadakan di Jakarta, Palembang. Beragam prestasi yang telah diraih mahasiswa Universitas Bina Dharma antara lain juara 1 pertandingan badminton antar mahasiswa Sumatera Selatan tahun 2018, juara kedua lomba line follower tingkat nasional dalam Pekan Elektor Nasional 2018, pembicara terbaik kedua di debat bahasa Inggris Asian English Olympics Wakil Satu Gadis Kampus Sumatera Selatan tahun 2019, dan mahasiswa Universitas Bina Dharma mempersembahkan 9 emas, 7 perunggu dalam ajang kejuaraan ekonomi Bagi Berkas 2019. Dalam pencapaian visi dan misi, Universitas Bina Dharma juga menjalin kerjasama dengan instansi pemerintah dan swasta di Sumatera Selatan. Selain itu, Universitas Bina Dharma juga melakukan kerjasama internasional antara Cisco Networking Academy, Microsoft, System Application and Processing, dan Standard Application Agreement (SAA). Saat ini, Universitas Bina Dharma tidak hanya diminati oleh pelajar lokal, tapi juga pelajar asing. Sejak tahun 2012, Universitas Bina Dharma memiliki mahasiswa asing yang berasal dari berbagai negara seperti Amerika, Korea Selatan, Laos, India, Meksiko, Bolivia, Filipina, Thailand, Sudan, dan Kamboja. Universitas Bina Dharma adalah salah satu universitas swasta terbaik di Sumatera Selatan yang
story behind the TOEFL ITP test. Every year, more than 2,500 institutions in over 50 countries administer over 700,000 TOEFL ITP tests to help place their students in the right English language programs or to measure their progress or for exit assessments.
The TOEFL ITP test, they're very accurate. It's a tool that we trust. It makes our programs more serious.
Backed by more than 45 years of research by world-renowned assessment and linguistic experts, the TOEFL ITP tests are designed to help you assess a student's proficiency in 3 different skills: reading comprehension, listening comprehension, and structure and written expression.
Students can understand their reading, listening, and grammar because there's a number of tests. The TOEFL ITP score helps them understand exactly what they are.
With the TOEFL ITP test, we know the sooner you understand where your students need help, the sooner you can adjust your teaching to meet those needs. So we make sure your TOEFL ITP score reports are sent within 7 days of receiving the answer sheets.
TOEFL ITP tests have transformed my way of thinking. I'm able to think about why a student is getting a score and pinpoint what areas need work.
And the TOEFL ITP test can be administered locally by your institution or by ETS preferred network personnel. Internationally recognized, convenient, affordable, and secure. The TOEFL ITP test can show you where your students are today so you can chart the best path for their tomorrow.
The only number, the only grade, the only tool that gives us the reality of the student in an international scenario are the TOEFL ITP tests.
Ladies and gentlemen, and here are the judges of the 10th Bina Dharma Rectors Trophy 2022. And ladies and gentlemen, here are the judges of the 10th Bina Dharma Rectors Trophy 2022. Kristen Petra University, Politeknik Transportasi Sungai Danau dan Penyeberangan, Pesantren Motivator Quran Excellencia, Binus University,
SMA Bugis, Muhammadiyah Yogyakarta University,
Universitas Pendidikan Indonesia, Malaysia Police University, Brawijaya University, SMA Regina Bancas Bogor,
Sriwijaya University, Muhammadiyah Universitas Binagar.
Wow, it's really spectacular that SSEC has been very consistent all this year to get all of these mind-blowing achievements.
This event will be the medium to achieve that.
Exactly. Now, our next agenda is praying. To lead the prayer.
To run smoothly and accordingly to what we hope for. I will lead the prayer to give greetings of the Islamic religion. For those who are not Muslim are welcome to pray individually. A'udzubillahiminasyaitonirrajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Allahumma shalli wa sallim ala sayyidina Muhammad wa ala alihi jami'il hajim. Wa taqurana biha min jami'i sayyid. Wa taqurana biha min jami'i sayyid. Allahumma inna nas'aluka salamatan fid din wal dunya wal akhirah wa afiyatan fil jasadi wa asiyatan fil badani wa ziyadatan fil ilm wa barakatan fil rizq wa tawbatan qabla al-maut wa rahmatan min Allah wa maghfiratan min Allah. Allahumma salli alayhi fi syarratin wa fi ziyatin wa min al-hisab. Rabbana
Amin ya Rabbal Alamin. Thank you, Ades. Finally, we've almost come to the end of the ceremony. Let us say Hamdallah. Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin.
Leslie, before we start the round, we want to express our highly appreciation for all of you. Thank you for your presence and attention this whole time. And as your master of ceremony for today, we would like to apologize if there are any mistakes while we are doing the event.
But for the closer, we like to quote a sentence from an inspirational American speaker, author, and mixed martial arts, Kylie Maynard, when he wrote, quote, "Knows your limit, but never stop trying to break them." Finally, let me know my supporter Faisal.
And Diani Abisi,
And that's all from us. We as your MC today, once again wanted to say thank you for all your attention, good luck for the competition, and don't forget to enjoy the tournament. Just make sure